Hello! In this video, we'll show you how to evaluate the overall conversion performance of a critical user flow, find the right moment to engage users, and target them with an in-app message, all to drive more conversions. Let's get started. Here, we have a 5-step money transfer flow looking specifically at the transfer to another bank journey. Before going into a deep dive analysis, you can use AI-powered analysis to get things started. What immediately stands out is that there are significant drop-offs at every single step, bringing the overall conversion rate to almost 17%. Re-engaging users who started but didn't finish this journey could meaningfully lift future conversions. I know that to re-engage users effectively, we need to decide on our target audience. Showing a relevant message right after a user completes a successful action is a great way to drive conversion. So here, I'm building an activity matrix to compare how users who have performed key events in the app like payments, card applications, account openings, or trades engage with the money transfer feature. The matrix plots each segment by adoption and average frequency. And the answer is clear. Users who have completed a payment are the segment most likely to also engage with money transfers, both in terms of how many of them do it and how often. This tells me exactly when to show a transfer-related message right after a successful payment. That's my targeting decision backed by data. With the insight from the activity matrix in hand, I'm moving straight into the in-app message setup. From a single menu, I can define the target audience, users with successful payment, set a conversion goal to measure the impact, and build the full message content and visuals. Everything is configured in one place without jumping between different tools or screens. And that's how convenient it is, from spotting drop-offs in a critical flow to reaching the right users with a targeted in-app message. Thank you for watching.